So today I'm going to be casting a couple of burls into some molten aluminium in this image number 2 and number 4. Here you can see how I've prepped the burls to hold them in place while I pour the aluminium around them. The first one I am casting is red Morrel burl. The second one I'm casting is salmon gum. They have very different textural qualities, and hopefully I'll get some nice variation between the two. There's the casting of the red Morrel burl. Has a nice texture, almost looks like lung tissue or something like that. And here's the casting of the salmon gum burl. Has some awesome lines flowing through it. There you go. Now I need to do some machining and some sanding and some polishing and work out how I'm mounting them so that they can be displayed as sculptures.